A boat travels 10 kilometers northwest and then 5 kilometers north. Find A, its distance from the departure point, and B, the bearing that it now has to sail to get back to it. We have a triangle with sides 5 and 10 kilometers, an angle 135 degrees between them. Yes, because northwest is halfway, so 45 degrees plus 90 degrees makes for 135 degrees. Using the cosine rule, we can answer A. The distance from the departure point is 14 kilometers. Using the sine rule, we can answer B. The blue angle A follows the equation sine A over 10 equals sine 135 over 14, so A is approximately 30.3. The bearing B is 150 that the boat has to take to get back to the departure point. A hiker walks from a hostel for 5 kilometers on a bearing of 042 to her lunch stop, L. She then walks on a bearing of 135 for 5.3 kilometers until she reaches the campsite, C. What bearing does she need to take to walk from the campsite back to the hostel? Stop the video here and see whether you can answer the problem. The two parallel lines heading north make the blue angle 42 degrees. The green angle is what is left to 135. That makes the green angle 93. The red angle is 87 because it makes 180 with the green. Now that we know the red angle, we can use the cosine rule. HC is approximately 7.09 kilometers. I'm going to find the bearing using angle LHC, which is 48.3. So 42 plus 48.3 plus half a turn makes for the bearing that takes the hiker back to the hostel 270 degrees clockwise. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!